How to switch true to false in Python. What operation do I need to do to always get a false value to become true, or to get a true value to become false? In other words, what do I do to switch the Boolean value of a given variable? The output below is only true. From this, I understand that what I did for some reason is not changing every other value to false. Why is this happening? Does anyone have any idea why? The question here, how do I get the opposite, negation, of a Boolean in Python? And here Python, how to negate value. If true, return false. If false, return true seem to be the same, but in my case, that simple concept is simply not working. Thanks, I really appreciate all the help, guys.
Assuming a variable my bool, you can set it with the not keyword. Results in.
If you are, for instance, being returned a Boolean value from a function, you could do. Annotating the Boolean value will invert it to the opposite value. It works because in Python. So,
use the not operator.